Once in a small village, there lived two brothers, Alex and Ben, who worked hard on their farm. Alex was cautious and saved a portion of his earnings every month, while Ben enjoyed spending his money as soon as he got it, often on things he didn't need. One year, their village faced a severe drought. Crops failed and food became scarce. Ben, who had saved nothing, found himself in dire straits, struggling to buy food at exorbitant prices. Alex, on the other hand, had a reserve of savings. Not only could he afford to buy food for his family, but he also lent some money to Ben to help him through these tough times. Seeing the wisdom in his brother's ways, Ben learned the importance of saving money. He realized that while it's enjoyable to spend money, saving a part of it is crucial for facing unexpected challenges in life. From then on, Ben started to save a part of his earnings. Over time, he too built a reserve that gave him peace of mind. The brothers learned that saving money isn't about being stingy. It's about being prepared for the ups and downs of life. And so, the moral of the story is, a penny saved is a penny earned. Saving money wisely prepares one for unforeseen challenges, ensuring security and peace of mind. Saving money can sometimes feel like a big challenge, especially when you don't have a lot of it to start with. But even if you're on a tight budget, there are still ways you can save a little bit here and there. This is important because saving money can help you in the future. Like if an unexpected expense comes up, or if you have a big goal you want to reach, like buying a house or going on a dream vacation. In this video, we're going to share 20 tips that can help you save money, even when it feels like you don't have much to spare. These tips will cover a lot of different areas, from how to make a good budget that fits your life to simple changes you can make every day to spend less. We'll also talk about smart ways to handle your bank accounts, and how making some changes in how you live can help you save more over time. Number 1. Assess your current financial situation. Before you start saving money, it's important to know exactly where you stand with your finances. Think of it like looking at a map before you go on a trip. First, figure out how much money you have coming in every month. This includes your paycheck from work and any other money you get regularly. Then, write down what you spend your money on, like rent, food, and other bills. This helps you see what you have left after paying for the must-haves. By understanding your money situation, you can make better plans on how to save. Number 2, utilize coupons and discounts. Using coupons and discounts is like finding hidden treasure. That helps you save money. Imagine you have a secret code that makes things cheaper when you buy them. That's what coupons do. You can find these special deals in newspapers, online, or in stores. Some places even have special cards or apps that give you points or discounts when you shop there regularly. It's like a game where the more you look for these deals, the more money you can save. So, always keep an eye out for coupons and discounts, because they can really help lower the cost of things you need. Number 3, save on utilities. Saving money on utilities means finding ways to lower the cost of things, like electricity, water, and heating in your home. Think of it as being careful with how you use these things to avoid wasting them. For example, turning off lights when you leave a room, taking shorter showers, to use less water, and wearing a sweater inside, instead of turning up the heat, can all help save money. You can also switch to energy-saving light bulbs, and make sure your home is well insulated to keep the heat in. These small changes can add up over time, helping you pay less for your utilities. Number 4, cut down on unnecessary expenses. Cutting down on unnecessary expenses means spending less money on things you don't really need. Imagine you have a bucket of water, but it has a small hole, so water leaks out slowly. Unnecessary expenses are like that hole, slowly draining your money. To fix it, start by looking at what you spend your money on and ask yourself, do I really need this? Maybe it's buying coffee outside instead of making it at home, or subscribing to too many online services you hardly use. By stopping these habits and fixing the hole, you keep more money in your bucket to save or spend on important things. Number 5, create a realistic budget. Creating a realistic budget means making a plan for how to spend your money in a way that matches your life. It's like planning your meals for the week so you buy only what you need at the grocery store and don't waste food or money. First, write down how much money you get every month. Then list the things you need to pay for, like your home, food, and getting around. Make sure to put some money aside for saving, even if it's just a little. The trick is to make sure you can stick to your plan without feeling too squeezed. Number 6, set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals means thinking about what you want your money to do for you in the future. It's like setting targets in a game, but this game is about your life and dreams. Maybe you want to save enough money to buy a bike, go on a vacation, or even have enough for emergencies. Write these goals down and think about when you want to achieve them. Some goals might be for soon and others for later. Knowing your goals helps you stay focused and makes it easier to decide how to use your money wisely to reach them. Number 7. Grocery shopping on a budget. Grocery shopping on a budget means being smart about buying food, so you don't spend too much money. Before you go to the store, think about what meals you want to make that week, and write a shopping list. This helps you buy only what you need and avoid wasting food and money. Try to buy things that are on sale and consider choosing store brands instead of more expensive name brands because they often cost less. Buying in bulk can also save money, but only buy large amounts of things that won't go bad before you can use them. Number 8. Reduce transportation costs. Reducing transportation costs means finding cheaper ways to get around. If you have a car, this could mean sharing rides with friends or coworkers to save on gas and parking fees. Another way is to use public transportation like buses and trains, which can be less expensive than driving and paying for gas all the time. If places you go to are close by, walking or riding a bike not only saves money, but is also good for your health. Planning your trips to do multiple things in one go can also help save money by cutting down on the number of trips you need to make. Number 9. Choosing the right bank account. Choosing the right bank account is like picking the best tool for a job. You want one that fits your needs without costing too much. Some bank accounts charge fees for things you might not use, while others might give you benefits like earning more money over time, interest, if you keep your money there. Look for an account with low or no fees and check if it offers any rewards, like extra money for saving a lot. Also, think about how you like to use your bank. Do you go to the bank in person or do you prefer using an app on your phone? Pick the account that matches how you want to handle your money. Number 10. Automate your savings. Automating your savings means setting up your bank account to move money to your savings automatically, like a robot doing chores for you. You decide how much money you want to save and how often, like every time you get paid. Then you set it up once and the bank takes care of moving the money for you each time. This way, you save money without even thinking about it. It's like putting part of your money in a safe place every month before you have a chance to spend it. This helps you build your savings over time without any extra effort. Number 11. Managing debt wisely. Managing debt wisely means being smart about the money you owe to others. Imagine if you borrowed toys from several friends. Some friends might need them back sooner, or they might be more upset if you wait too long. In money terms, some debts, like credit card bills, can grow faster because they have high interest rates. You want to pay those back first to stop them from getting bigger. It's important to make a plan to pay back all your debts bit by bit. Sometimes, talking to the people you owe money to can help you find an easier way to pay them back. Number 12. Understand your tax benefits. Understanding your tax benefits is like finding hidden money that can help you save. When you pay taxes, sometimes you can get money back for certain things you spend money on, like school costs or saving for retirement. These are called tax benefits. It's like the government giving you a special discount for making good choices. To get these benefits, you need to know what they are and how to claim them on your tax return. It's a good idea to learn about these benefits or ask someone who knows about taxes to help you find and use them. This way, you can keep more of your money. Number 13. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle means living with only the things you really need and getting rid of the rest. It's like cleaning out your room and only keeping your favorite toys so you have more space to play. By choosing to have fewer things, you spend less money buying stuff you don't truly need or use. This lifestyle helps you focus on what's important in life, like spending time with family and friends, rather than worrying about buying and taking care of lots of possessions. Living simply can make you happier because you're not crowded or stressed by too much stuff. 14. DIY and home maintenance. DIY, do it yourself, and home maintenance mean taking care of your home by yourself instead of paying someone else to do it. It's like when you make a craft or fix something on your own. Learning to do small repairs, like fixing a leaky faucet or painting your room, can save you a lot of money. There are lots of tutorials online that show you how to do these things step by step. Doing it yourself can be fun and makes you feel proud. Plus, your home stays in good shape and you save money that you would have spent on hiring someone. 15. Invest in quality over quantity. Investing in quality over quantity means it's better to buy one thing that's really good and will last a long time than to buy lots of cheaper things that break or wear out quickly. Imagine you have a pair of shoes that are strong and comfortable, and even if they cost more, they last for years. On the other hand, cheap shoes might fall apart after a few months, and you'll have to keep buying new ones. In the end, the good shoes save you money because you don't need to replace them as often. It's about spending wisely, not just spending less. 16. Plan low-cost entertainment. Planning low-cost entertainment means finding fun things to do that don't cost a lot of money. Instead of going out to expensive places, you can have a picnic in the park, watch a movie at home, or explore free museums. Playing board games, going for a hike, or having a craft day are also great ways to enjoy yourself without spending much. These activities can be just as enjoyable as spending a lot of money going out. By being creative and looking for simple pleasures, you can have a great time and still save money. It's all about enjoying what you have and making the most of it. 17. Investing as a means to save. Investing as a means to save is like planting a seed to grow a tree. When you invest your money, it can grow over time, just like a tree grows from a seed. You might put your money into things like a savings account that earns interest, or buy shares in companies hoping they will be worth more later. It's a way to make your money work for you and grow, so you have more in the future. But remember, just like gardening, investing can be risky. Sometimes you might not get back as much as you hoped. So it's important to be careful and learn about where you're putting your money. 18. Utilize cashback and reward programs. Utilizing cashback and reward programs is like getting a small reward every time you buy something. When you shop at certain stores or use certain credit cards, they give you a little bit of money back or points that you can collect. Think of it like getting a gold star every time you make a purchase. Over time, these stars add up and you can use them to get money off your next shopping trip or even get something for free. It's a way to save money on things you were going to buy anyway, just by being smart about where and how you shop. 19. Consider freelancing or side gigs. Considering freelancing or side gigs means thinking about doing extra work outside of your main job to earn more money. It's like having a hobby that you get paid for. For example, if you're good at drawing, you could make artwork for people who want to pay for it. Or if you love dogs, you might walk dogs in your neighborhood for extra cash. These extra jobs can help you save money faster because you're earning more than what you get from just your main job. Plus, it's a chance to do something you enjoy and make money at the same time. 20. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget means checking and changing your spending plan often to make sure it still works for you. It's like adjusting the sails on a boat to keep moving in the right direction when the wind changes. Life can be unpredictable. Sometimes you spend more money than expected, or maybe you start earning more. By looking at your budget often, you can decide if you need to spend less on some things or if you can afford to save more. Keeping your budget up to date helps you stay in control of your money and reach your savings goals.